Unboxing and installing your Steelcase Leap V2 chair from OfficeLogix Shop is an easy and straight-to-the-point process. Start by unpacking all the box contents. You will find the chair's base, the seat, the back assembly, and a small box with the gas cylinder and casters. Please hold onto the box and packaging until your return period is over. If you decide to return the chair, you must use the original box and package it the same way you received it. Install the 5 casters by simply clicking them into the base. Your chair will come in one of 3 types of cylinders. The side-activated cylinder has a unique metal plate on its side. Place the cylinder into the base. Look inside the seat mechanism. You will see a metal plate on the side that moves when you pull the height adjustment lever. When you insert the cylinder inside the mechanism, the metal side plate on the cylinder should face the metal plate inside the chair mechanism. Both plates must be at exactly the same level, or the chair will not function properly. This step is critical to avoid operational issues. Once it's secured, test the height lever. If the chair responds, the installation was successful. If not, double-check that the metal plates are correctly aligned. If they are misaligned, you will need to remove the cylinder and try again. Warning: please do not install the seat before you have thoroughly tested the height function. You must ensure the mechanism is operating correctly first. Once it's functioning exactly as it should, you may proceed with the final assembly of the seat. The hydraulic cylinder features a unique cone shape at the top. Insert the cylinder into the base, then place the assembly on top of it, ensuring the cylinder is securely seated inside the mechanism. Once it's secured, test the height lever. If the chair responds, the installation was successful. If it does not, remove the cylinder to double-check the position and try again. Warning: do not install the seat until the height adjustment is fully tested. Making sure the cylinder is functioning correctly now will save you the trouble of disassembly later. Once you've confirmed the height adjustment function is working as intended, you can install the seat. The top activated cylinder can be identified by the button on its top. Begin by inserting the cylinder into the base, then place the seat assembly on top of the cylinder. In most cases, you are now all set. However, if the seat rises or sinks automatically when you sit down, it means the cylinder is overactivated. Although each chair is calibrated before shipping, differences in user weights can occasionally affect the height function during the initial setup. This is usually fixed in a one-time calibration. Inside the seat mechanism, you will find an adjustment pin. Using an Allen wrench, you will need to either tighten or loosen this pin to find the perfect balance. Our engineer is an expert who knows exactly when to stop. But as a first-timer, you should move in half turns. After each half turn, test the chair to see how it responds. Continue making these small adjustments in half turns and testing the seat until it functions correctly. The goal is for the chair to remain stable, only moving when actively using the height lever. Warning: do not install the seat until you have verified that the height function is working properly. It's important to confirm the calibration is correct before you continue. Once the chair responds as expected, you are ready to complete the installation. The plastic brackets come already installed and secured with tape. You need to remove the tape gently and then attach the seat as demonstrated. However, if the brackets have fallen down, don't worry. It is a simple process to reattach them. Please insert the brackets on the sides of the chair, making sure the straight part is on the top and the angled one is on the bottom. Then clamp them on before attaching the seat. Finally, slide the seat on the rails while making sure it's correctly aligned. Your Steelcase Leap V2 chair from OfficeLogix Shop is completely ready to be used. Make sure to follow us and subscribe for more office chairs content.